Hello everyone and welcome to PC User Nerd. Donna Holloman here. And remember we talked about mail merge. Today we're going to mail merge into mailing labels. Remember the first video we talked about how to start our mail merge, and we're going to continue with the same contact list that we used prior. But in order to start, we have to go to File, and we're going to start a new blank document, and that is left clicked. And now, remember I mentioned before, we go to our menu, which is Mailings, to our ribbon, Start Mail Merge. And we're going to start step by step. You can either do letters, email, envelopes, labels, directory, whichever you choose. But we can start from here as well, from step by step Mail Merge Wizard. We're going to go to Labels. We're going to go to Start Document. We're going to do label options. Now, I already chose label options. As you can see here, there's different sizes and shapes of all the labels you can choose from. And when you purchase your first package, for example, the Avery label has a vendor number here, also the size of the label here. You can also design your labels to add a logo or your personal whatever you like to put there, picture or whatever you like to send out to your family, friends, and acquaintances alike. But we're going to focus on this number today. This number is actually based on the size, 1 inch by 2 5/8 inch. And we're going back to our letter, and there it is, 18660 Easy Peel address labels, and that is by Avery US Letter. And the printer is MPF. And we're going to press OK because this is all going to go on an 8.5 by 11 size paper. We're going to do OK. Then we're going to select Recipients. Remember we created an Excel spreadsheet, and that Excel spreadsheet is under our PC User Nerd document, where we create our document here, and then we'll go to Sample Contact List, and that's sheet 1, and there's our names. And we'll press OK. Then for this first queue here, this first section here, we're going to enter our mail merge field. So we're going to salutation, that's Miss, Mr., and Mrs. And we're going to focus on your format, so a space after Miss or Mrs., Mr. First name and space, middle initial and space, last name, space, of course enter for your address, and enter again for city, state, zip, city, comma, space, state, space, and zip. Alright, and then since now that we have everyone in there, we're going to update our labels to this. And here, this is all your labels. Of course, it looks really funny because we have our code in there. And this is the best document to save for future reference, because later you may add more names to your mailing labels. So we're going to arrange our labels. We're going to preview our labels, and voila, there we have it. If this could be filled up depending on how many contacts you have in your Excel spreadsheet. And we go ahead and print our labels by completing our mail merge and print. And remember to look at your printer to see how to insert your labels for proper printing. Now we're going to go back and we're going to save our document. And that's it for PC User Nerd. There are mailing labels. Thank you for stopping by, and if you have any questions, concerns, or you'd like to just ask any question, just put it down in your comments and we will take a look at it for future training lessons. Thank you again and have a great day. Goodbye.